Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about India's first caffeinated personal care brand. They have come up with a variety of a good range of products for personal care and body care, and that is infused with the coffee, and that is none other than M Caffeine. So I hope already everyone knows about M Caffeine because most of the YouTubers have already given their review about M Caffeine. So I have also used their all product, and I have loved their products a lot, and out of which I have again repurchased 4 of their product, and I'm still using their products. So they are so good, and that's why I thought to share my review about their products. So before starting with the review, I want to show you their packaging first. Very classy, bold and confident packaging. So it doesn't define any genders. Anyone can use their product. Boys and girls, anyone can use their product. So before starting about talking about the M Caffeine product, why should we use coffee in our body and in skincare? Because coffee actually help to reduce puffiness in our skin. It actually increase collagen productions in our skin. So what is collagen is actually it's in our skin, which help to tighten our skin and make our skin look young and beautiful. So as we grow older, collagen production get less, and that's why our skin become loose and wrinkles comes in our face and body. So to maintain that collagen production, you can use coffee in your body care and skincare. It will reduce your wrinkles in your skin, and also it helps in blood circulations. It will promote blood circulations, and that will help you give a bright and young skin. So that's why you can use coffee in your product. So first I'm going to talk about the body scrub, because I like the coffee body scrub a lot, because it is they have a coffee in that, and they also have a coconut oil. So this actually comes in a glass bottle like this, so that your product will not get waste. And with this they have a wooden spoon, so that you can scoop the product with this wooden spoon. And once you will open this product, you can see that there is a coffee granules, and they are very small, and it smells like a coffee. Once you will open this glass bottle, you can smell the coffee. It's like a Starbucks in a jar, and or a CCD in a jar. You just enter in a as if whenever you enter in a coffee house or in a coffee place, you can smell the coffee. So that aroma is here. Whenever you will open this, you will be like that I'm in a coffee shop. This is such a beautiful smell. It's a rich coffee smell you will get. And whenever you will use this product, they are such a small granules. It will not hurt your skin, and it will easily exfoliate your skin. It will deeply clean your skin, and your skin will feel hydrated, soft and supple because of the coconut oil inside this. So I'm going to show you how to use this product in your body and in your skincare. I'm taking this. So this is how I'm taking this, and now I'm going to take it in my palm. I'm going to give a little bit of water in it. So now I'm going to use this. Can you see that creamy textures? This is because of the coconut oil infused in it. And the granule is very soft and smooth. It will not hurt your skin, but it will deeply exfoliate your skin, and your skin will feel very refreshed. And you can see you'll be able to feel that it is cleaning your skin, it is scrubbing your skin without hurting it. I have washed my hand, and now you can see how clean it is. It is very soft and smooth, and after washing my hand also, it is feeling very hydrated, soft, and it is feeling very soft and supple. And because of the coconut oil, so it didn't take out that moisture from my skin, rather it has added some moisturizer in my skin. So once I have done my scrubbing, now I'm going to show you this M Caffeine body polish oil. So this is a very good oil. This is come with this pump, And now you have to use this pump, and you have to take this oil in your hand. So it is actually I have already finished this bottle, you can see. So from that you can understand that how much I have used this M Caffeine body polishing oil. So it's very good because it has a vitamin E, and it has a sweet almond oil, and it has a arabica seed oil, it has a coffee oil. So definitely that's why it is looking like a coffee, and it also smells like a coffee. It is a rose sheep oil. So these all ingredients are very good for skin. It will make your skin very smooth, soft and supple. And after using this also, my skin feels very hydrated, and it is a non-sticky, so it will easily absorb in my skin, and you won't feel that you have used any oil in your body. So definitely in this winter season, everyone use a little bit oil and moisturizer, deep moisturizer. So in winter you can definitely try this M Caffeine body polishing oil. After taking the bath, you can use this oil, and it will absorb in your skin, and you will feel hydrated for 24 hours. Now I'm going to show you this M Caffeine body lotion. So this is also a very good body lotion. First I'm going to tell about the smell of this body lotions. This is such a rich smell. So this is also this also come with this pump, and this is how the bottle look like, and this is how the lotions look like. This is also a coffee infused, that's why this is the color it is coming. And the smell of this body lotion is such a rich and such a beautiful smell, means I can't tell in my words, but the smell is so beautiful that it itself give you that refreshing smell, and such a rich smell it is. I really love the smell. It's automatically, whenever I'm using my body, I feel that richness, like I am in some very delicate place. So that gives that richness. And also this is also very non-stick. It easily absorbs in my skin, and my skin feel hydrated for long hours. So this is my winter skincare routine is going right now. I'm using this body oil and this body cream, and definitely you definitely try this body lotion, because you are going to love this body lotion. The smell of this body lotion is amazing, and this is also the key ingredient of this body lotion is have a vitamin C, and they have a white water lily, which is also very good for skin, and they also have a shea butter. So shea butter deeply moisturize your skin, and vitamin C will brighten up your skin, and water lily also will help in brighten your skin, and they are non-sticky formula. So once you will apply this, it will easily absorb in your skin, and you won't feel that you have applied any moisturizer in your skin, and your skin will feel hydrated for long hours. And if you want for dry skin people, if you want more moisturizer, then they have another one for dry skin people. This is for normal to oily skin people. For dry skin people, they have a different moisturizer that is more intense and more deep moisturizer. This is for normal to oily skin people, but the smell of this moisturizer is amazing. I am really in love with this smell. So definitely in this winter season you can try out this lotion also. You are going to love this lotion. To talk about this M Caffeine hand cream. So in this corona situation, most of us using more often hand washes and soap in our hand, and also use sanitizer very often in our hands. So our hands skin get very rough because of the soap and because of the sanitizer. So I will always prefer to use any moisturizer in my hand, and also I will recommend everyone to use any moisturizer you have. Use that moisturizer in your hand. So here I am going to use this M Caffeine hand cream. So this is also a very good hand cream. Your hand will feel very relish, and they will feel very beautiful. So you can use this hand cream if you want, and your skin, your hand will feel very hydrated, because in this situation we definitely need a hand cream so that our hand also feel very soft and supple. So this is all from my end, and hope you have loved this video. If you do love this video, then please hit the like button, and also mention in the comment sections that whether whether this video is informative for you, and whether you want to see more review videos, because then definitely I'm going to purchase any product, and first I'm going to use it by myself, and then I'm going to review that product for you. And also mention in the comment sections that whether you are going to buy Mcaffeine product in future or not. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, because I'll be coming up with more interesting content and more interesting video in future. Till then, love you all, take care, bye bye.